guys! This is John again from Johndam District. At bago ka ba sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. At syempre guys, another video, another application na naman tayo kung saan tayo pwede kumita online. So by the way guys, ginamit ko muna tong application na to at nakapag-payout naman ako. Kaya i-share ko sa inyo na legit ito. So by the way, yung video na to guys is about signing up, downloading the application, and start earning. At papakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga ways kung paano kayo kikita online or kung paano kayo makakapag-cash out or ano yung pwede nyo makash out. Syempre, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Umpisahan na natin! So guys, ang application nga pala na kung saan kayo pwedeng kumuha ay walang iba kundi ang Lifepoints paid survey application. I-download nyo lang guys yung application at what you can see, 3K ratings yan guys with 4.6 ratings, and also ang ganda rin ng star review niya, 4.5. And also, as what you can see guys, pag nagbasa kayo ng mga reviews and ratings dito, matutuwa kayo dahil legit talaga yung application na to. And of course, after nyo ma-download, click nyo lang yung open, and then click nyo lang ask app na to track, and then mag-login lang kayo dito guys using your Gmail account, Facebook account, or Apple account. Or kung ayaw nyo naman mag-sign in, click nyo na lang po yung sign up using email. Pero dito guys, ang gagawin ko, mag-sign up ako using Google para mas madali lang. Click nyo lang yung continue, and then after that, magsaselect lang kayo ng email address na gagamitin ninyo para dito makaregister sa Lifepoints. And ganun lang guys kadali. And then after that, i-enter nyo lang guys yung date of birth. Okay, so let me save it here. Okay, and then we've sent you an email. So technically guys, kailangan nyo i-activate yung account. Open nyo lang yung email nyo. And then make sure na i-verify nyo yung account ninyo, okay? So ayan, confirm your email lang. And then, default browser. Okay, let's verify it. And then open Lifepoints. And ayan na guys, there you go. So by the way guys, ito yung mga surveys. Just may match me survey dito guys na kailangan yung i-take as well. So by the way, meron guys verification. In a few words, tell us why did you join Lifepoints. So lagay nyo lang dyan to earn extra money and share my opinion. Ayan, ganyan lang guys. So, and then, after that guys, wait na lang natin. Click natin yung submit. And then, there you go, naglo-loading na siya. And then, i-complete nyo lang guys yung profile nyo. Enter nyo lang yung mga information na required. So, ayan guys, skip na natin to complete later. So, by the way guys, ito meron ng mga surveys na available based on what I can see here. At meron 60 life points, 40 life points kayong pwedeng makuha. So for the rewards guys, ang kadalasan na ginagawa ko dito is through PayPal. And then guys, ang kinaganda dito is napakabilis lang mag-cash out sa kanila. Like literally, pag nag-cash out kayo, marireceive nyo na agad yung payment after 1 to 2 minutes lang guys, marireceive nyo na. So eto guys, meron din silang survey tips dito guys. Complete nyo lang to guys, napaka-helpful ng mga information na to. It will help you para mas ma-qualify kayo sa mga surveys. So ganun lang guys kadali. And ayan, so that's it guys for today's video. So make sure guys to complete yung Match Me surveys ha, bago magiging available to mga today's surveys na available. And guys, napakaganda nito. As what you can see, kakasign up ko lang, meron agad 10 life points. So as far as you guys receive, as early na naka-receive kayo ng survey guys, i-take nyo na agad kasi may time na may number of participants lang na required. So kung na-meet na nila yung numbers of participants, then there's a possibility na hindi ka na makakapasok sa survey. Kaya kailangan sagutan mo agad yon. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!